What is up, guys? My name is Andrew Slittle, and I have some very exciting and bullish news about cryptocurrency to share with you guys today, and I can't wait. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Just to start real quick, global crypto market cap up to 1.52 trillion. If you guys remember from my first video just 2 days ago, it was only at 1.39 trillion. So if we read more, that's a 55.3% increase. Very good indicator that we are jumping back into the bull run. But let's go back down to specifics on individual coins. Just to start with Bitcoin, we're still holding strong above $38,000. This comes as a big surprise to me because I was expecting to wake up and see it around 36, about 50% of this upward move. But we're not. We saw it wick just beneath $40,000, and if you remember from my first video, I did say that we were going to see resistance there, and we did. It wicked right up near that and then dropped back down, except it wasn't a massive retracement after wicking there. It's still holding strong above $38,000, and we are seeing areas of consolidation right near the top of this upward move. That is very bullish, and let me show you why real quick. Just from a technical analysis standpoint, this is something that I see forming on the hourly chart. It's not confirmed yet, but it could be an indicator of what prices to do later in the day. We could see it break above $40,000 later in the day. If we go and play off of this top wick here near $40,000, draw our line of resistance right here, and then we look at this area of consolidation. I'm going to play off of this second higher low. We're going to draw our support line right in here. So what this is a bull flag pattern. This is a very bullish indicator in terms of technical analysis that price is going to continue to move up. We see a massive run up, as we saw last night, this massive move up to almost $40,000. We see lower highs trending downwards, but areas of consolidation not really breaking the support line. So naturally, we're waiting for confirmation of this pattern. I'm not saying to get in on a buy right now if you do trade, but I do believe we could look for entries around $37,500 to $38,000 and target $41,000. And the reason I say that is because if we scroll out, we look at this other, this high wick out here. That was the last like high other than where we're at right now in the short term. That could be our target for this trade. It's a very short-term trade. It could be, you know, a $3,000 move, but still that is a great trade for anyone. You could make your 3% every day. And if you guys remember from my last video, you don't need to be rich to begin trading. You can start with $100. Making 3% every day would change your life. But yeah, so lots of people believe that this massive run up was due to market manipulation. It very well could have been from whales dropping in money. But if we look at XRP and look at Whale Watch, last night we actually saw $50 million from one wallet and $50 million from another wallet of XRP get listed on Binance. And for those of you that don't know, Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the entire world. And if you remember, I always say high volatility of buys is a good indicator of price to move upwards. So 100 million total dollars being listed from just 2 wallets on XRP is very bullish. So it could have been manipulation. Except if it was manipulation, in my opinion, we would have seen that wick from 40 and it would have shot down. We would have seen large institutions and large whales and big wallets selling off around that point, capturing profit. But that's not what happened. We saw a retracement, but it's still holding strong above $38,000. Very good bullish indicator. I personally believe that price is shooting up because Bitcoin and crypto has been waiting for a breakout for a while. But from a fundamental analysis standpoint, just using the news, if we look, Yahoo Finance last night at 3 in the morning came out with this article, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies surge on Amazon payment rumors. And for those of you that don't know, there's been lots of speculation that Amazon is going to begin accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum as a form of payment on Amazon.com. And obviously high volatility buys, lots of people using it, large amounts of volume influxing on a cryptocurrency tends to shoot price up. So very bullish. A company like Amazon, the largest e-commerce company in the world, using the biggest cryptos in the world, it just seems like a match made in heaven. And furthermore, some other great news that came out last week. If you guys don't know, we had a Bitcoin meeting roughly a week ago that featured Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is the CEO for Twitter and Square. And And some great news came from that. We actually found out that Tesla and Square, Bitcoin was listed on both of their balance sheets for the first time in a long time. If you remember, Elon Musk said that they weren't going to accept cryptocurrency right before that massive crash from 64K down to where we're at now. They stopped accepting Bitcoin, but now obviously Tesla is going to begin accepting Bitcoin here in the near future. Very, very bullish. I mean, if we have these large, massive tech giants and huge companies accepting cryptocurrency, very bullish indicator. But anyways, so yeah, things are looking up. I'm not saying to get in on a trade right now for Bitcoin, but we're still holding strong. Price is healthy, and it looks like we 100% are officially jumping back into this bull run, and we are going to be on track to hitting that goal of $100,000 for Bitcoin. So I hope you guys found this very useful. I will make a video later in the day for technical analysis. I am looking to take a trade setup later in the day, whether it's a short or a long, but I will be posting that later in the day for you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share this with somebody who's new to cryptocurrency or new to investing and isn't sure what they should do. So yeah, I hope that was helpful, and keep investing, guys.